Once there was a fox. He was very hungry. He went into a garden. He saw a bunch of grapes there. His mouth began to water. He jumped again and again to get them, but failed. He went away saying, "Grapes are sour. I will not eat them." Moral: bitter if not touched. Grapes are sour. Not knowing how to dance, the courtyard is crooked. One should never turn away from hard work.